everyone, welcome to this week's Feature Friday video. This week I have some promotions from footlogix to share with you. So they have a few promotions on existing products and a promotion on some new products as well. So the first promo that they have running is you get 2 of the stainless steel foot file plus a free 180ml callus softener, all for $60, which is a really great price on those. Then their second promo is this lovely display, all of number 7. So you're getting the 3 number 7 tinctures. There's 9 of the 7 plus and 6 of the number 7 in there. So those are all their antifungal line. The tincture is for the nail itself, and then the 7 and 7 plus are for the skin. So those are some of the biggest sellers, and you get the beautiful display in there for free. So you're just paying the product cost and you get a free display. And then the final promo that they have is their new cuticle softener and cuticle conditioner. These are made for use on the toes, but I have personally been using them on my clients and on myself, on my nails, and they work really, really well. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a closer look at both of those, just so that you can see how they work and the consistency of them as well. Okay, so first off, I have the number 11, the cuticle softener. And as you can see, this one is quite liquid, but I find I just put a little bit, let it sit for about 30 seconds, and then it makes it really easy to gently lift the cuticle and remove that protein residue. Now, if you're using this on feet, they do say you don't have to wipe it off, and you can feel it is very soft. It doesn't feel harsh in any way. But because I'm doing this on my nails, and if I was doing this on a client, you're gonna wanna cleanse it with some after wipe just to remove any residue. But you can see already my cuticles are looking nicer, a little bit more moisturized. And then I'm just showing you more the consistency of this lotion more than anything, and also the effect that it has on my cuticles. So you can see it's a nice cream. It's quite thick. It's very soft to the touch. It feels like a hair conditioner almost. It's really nice. And again, you can see it's really hydrated my cuticles and the skin around my nails, making everything look brighter. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this week's video. Thank you so much for always liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. And don't forget, you can also follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook. And as always, if you have any questions and comments, please leave them in the section below.